if there are test results that are available today that indicate the waste drilling rule that was passed in August of 2010 hasn't protected our water adequately, I need to know about those test results, and I would readily change what I'm saying. New facts would require new positions. So let's focus on the facts of this industry. And this industry has its industrial activity. It must be regulated strongly. As I said, the drilling process itself represents one step back if you look just at the environment. The use of gas can represent two major steps forward because it can, in this country where we run on coal and oil, replace and reduce the amount of coal and oil we use, and coal and oil are just much more dirty than natural gas.
Can they do this well and be profitable? Because that's the line, right?
The answer is absolutely yes.